Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, yesterday I made some mason jar salads, so today I'm going to eat one for lunch. So this is the salad with the salad dressing in the bottom. And somebody asked me, did they have to use this kind of salad dressing? Use what you like, y'all. You ain't even got to use the stuff I put in here. Use what you like. Make it your own. Like Burger King say, have it your way. Okay, so I'm going to lower this so y'all can see me pour this into my bowl. Okay, here's my bowl my sister bought me. So I'm using it for a salad bowl today. And I let this sit out a few minutes. See, the lettuce is still nice and crispy. Don't want no wilted leaves. Y'all can't see in the bowl. Just a minute. I gotta raise this. And then do one of these numbers. And if you don't eat this much salad in one sitting, get this smaller mason jar. Okay, there's the onions. Look at that. There's the garbanzo beans. There's the eggs, the cheese, the bell peppers, cucumber, the chicken. It's a big salad. Like I said, it can be a meal. And the salad dressing. And I have seasoning all through this. And if you don't want to put the salad dressing in, you rather do it later, then you don't need the salad dressing at the bottom. Or if you want to eat out the jar, you don't have to layer this like I layered it. Okay, I'm going to save this jar just like this, just in case I don't eat all this. It's going back in the jar, because this is my personal salad. Look at this, y'all. Yeah. And I put the meat down there with the salad dressing because I wanted it to marinate. Look at that. Let me taste it for y'all. Everybody knows what salad tastes like. But you don't know what my salad tastes like. Give me a piece of meat. Dig down here, get some lettuce. One tomato. I'm gonna eat a garbanzo bean. So I got 3 types of protein in here. The garbanzo beans, the meat, and the eggs. This is going to replace a meal. Like I said, I love onion. And I love bell pepper, the green bell pepper. Nice, crisp, crunchy, delicious salad. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Bon appetit.